A very good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to Physical Science online class. Our third chapter name is Acids, Bases and Salts. In the previous class, we already discussed about all acids and bases properties. Next, acids and bases react with metals. They produced hydrogen gas or evolved hydrogen gas. Some metals react with acids and bases, that is, evolved carbon dioxide gas, water molecule, and salts. Now, today we will discuss about salts and their properties. Then, in our daily life, we using some different type of salts like bleaching powder, chlorine, washing soda, and baking soda, and plaster of Paris, like this. Now, what is the meaning of salt? In chemistry, a salt is a chemical compound consisting of an ionic assembly of cations and anions. Cation means that having the positive charge. Here we can take the NaCl, Na plus, and anion. Anion means that is the negative charge, that is Cl minus. Salts are composed of related numbers of cations, positively charged ions, and anions, negatively charged ions, so that the product is electrically neutral without a net charge. Electrically neutral. Now once again listen. What do all acids and all bases have in common? We have seen that all acids have similar chemical properties. What leads to this similarity in properties? All acids generate hydrogen gas on reacting with metals. So, hydrogen seems to be common to all acids. Yes, students, we already done that experiment in the first class. What is that? Acids react with metals that produced or evolved hydrogen gas. Since the cations present in acids is H+, this suggests that acids produced hydrogen ions, H+ in solution, which are responsible for their acidic properties. Now, how strong are acids or base solutions? A scale for measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution called pH scale has been developed. The P in pH stands for Potenz in German, meaning power. Potenz means that is the power. On the pH scale, we can measure pH from 0, very acidic, to, that means 0 to up to 6. All are measures the acidic nature. To 14, very alkaline. Alkaline means that is the base solution. pH should be thought of simply as a number which indicates the acidic or basic nature of a solution. Once again listen. pH scale, that measuring of hydrogen ion concentration. pH means, P means potential, that means power of the hydrogen ion concentration. Higher the hydronium ion concentration, lower is the pH value. The pH of neutral solution is 7, that means that is the water. Values less than 7 on the pH scale represent an acidic solution. 0 to 6 represent acidic solution. As the pH value increases from 7 to 14, it presents basic nature. An increase in OH minus ion concentration in the solution, that is, increase in the strength of alkali. Alkali means bases. Acidic nature 0 to 6, 7 is the neutral, and 8 to 14, that is the basic nature of the pH scale. Generally, paper impregnated with the universal indicator is used for measuring pH, strength of acid or base. The universal indicator can also be used to know the strength of acid or base. Universal indicator is a mixture of several indicators. The universal indicator shows different colors at different concentrations of hydrogen ions in a solution. pH scale, a scale for measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution, is called pH scale. The pH of neutral solution is 7, acidic nature is 0 to 6, and basic nature is 8 to 14. Then pH value of solution above 7 represent a basic solution. Importance of pH in everyday life. Living organisms can survive only in a narrow range of pH change. When pH of rain water is less than 5.6, it is called acidic rain. Tooth decay starts when the pH of the mouth is lower than 5.5. Our stomach produces hydrochloric acid. It helps in the digestion of food without harming the stomach. During indigestion, the stomach produces too much acid and this causes pain and irritation. To get rid of this pain, people use bases called antacids. Plants require a specific pH range for their healthy growth. Self-defense by animals and plants through chemical warfare. Bee sting leaves an acid which causes pain and irritation. Use of a mild base like baking soda on the stung area gives relief. Family of salts. The formation of salts by the neutralization reaction of base with an acid. Salts having the same positive or negative ions. Acids react with bases that produce salt and water, that is the neutralization process. Here, positive or negative radicals belong to a salt family. Radical means not there, that is the positive sign or negative sign. pH of salts. Salt of a strong acid and strong base are neutral and the pH value is 7. The salt of strong acid and weak base are acidic and the pH value is less than 7. The salt of strong base and weak acid are basic in nature and the pH value is more than 7. Listen carefully. Strong acid and weak base that having the acidic nature, that value is less than 7. The salt of strong base and weak acid are basic in nature and the pH value is more than 7. Chemicals from common salt. Salts are the ionic compounds which are produced by the neutralization of acid with base. Salts are electrically neutral. Sodium chloride is also known as table salt or common salt. In our daily life we using in our curries, that is the common salt. Sodium chloride is the predominant component and it is separated from these salts. Sodium hydroxide from common salt. When electricity is passed through an aqueous solution of sodium chloride called brine solution. Listen carefully. sodium chloride with water. That solution is called the brine solution. It decomposes to form sodium hydroxide. Water react with common salt or NaCl. It decomposes to form sodium hydroxide. Decomposes means that is the separated the sodium hydroxide. The process is called the chloroalkali process. What is this? Chloroalkali process. Next salt is bleaching powder. In our day-to-day life we are using for cleaning purpose. Bleaching powder is produced by the action of chlorine on dry slacked lime, calcium hydroxide, that means CaOH twice. Bleaching powder is represented by formula CaOCl2. What is the bleaching powder? Formula CaOCl2. Uses of bleaching powder. It is used for bleaching cotton and linen in the textile industry, for bleaching wood pulp in a paper industry, and for bleaching washed clothes in laundry. What is the use of first bleaching powder? Used in textile industries and paper industry. Next to last one is the laundry, clothes in laundry. Used as an oxidizing agent in many chemical industries. Oxidizing means they using color process. Used for disinfecting drinking water to make it free of germs. Then last one, used as a reagent in the preparation of chloroform, that is one of the drug. Chloroform anesthesia preparation we using the bleaching powder. Next one is the baking soda. Baking soda is sometimes added for faster cooking. The chemical name of the compound is sodium hydrogen carbonate. What is the baking soda name? Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Formula of baking soda NaHCO3. NaHCO3. Baking soda is a mild non-corrosive base. Uses of sodium hydrogen carbonate, that means baking soda. Baking powder is a mixture of baking soda and mild edible acid such as tartaric acid. Tartaric acid means that is mixed of tomatoes and tamarind. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is also an ingredient of antacids. It is also used in soda acid fire extinguisher. It acts as mild antiseptic. Next one is the washing soda. Listen carefully. Washing soda and baking soda. Washing soda, that is the sodium carbonate. Baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Another chemical that can be obtained from sodium chloride is Na2CO3 10H2O. Washing soda. Recrystallization of sodium carbonate gives washing soda. It is also a basic salt. Baking soda is the acidic salt and here washing soda is the basic salt. Why? Because baking soda having H plus ions, washing soda having OH minus ions, removing water of crystallization. Take a few crystals of copper sulfate in a dry test tube and heat the test tube. You will notice water droplets on sides of the test tube. Add 2-3 drops of water on the sample of copper sulfate obtained after heating. What do you observe? Is the blue color of copper sulfate restored? In the above activity, copper sulfate crystals which seem to be dry contain the water of crystallization. When these crystals are heated, water present in crystals is evaporated and the salt turns white. When the crystals are moistened with water, the blue color reappears. Chemical formula for hydrated copper sulfate is CuSO4 5H2O. Plaster of Paris, one of the limestone product, that is we using broken legs or hands, broken bones. On carefully heating up gypsum calcium sulfate with water CaSO4 2H2O at 373 Kelvin, it loses water molecule partially to become calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Hemi means half of the hydrate. In the first line, see calcium sulfate water molecule CaSO4 2H2O. Now, hemihydrate means CaSO4 of H2O. This is called plaster of Paris, the substance which doctors use a plaster for supporting fractured bones in the right position. Once again, listen uses of pH scale. The strength of acids and bases depends on the number of H plus ions and OH minus ions produced respectively. If we take hydrochloric acid and acetic acid of the same concentration, say 1 molar, then these produce different amounts of hydrogen ions. Listen carefully. Hydrochloric acid means HCl, acetic acid means CH3COOH. Hydrochloric acid is the very strong acid and acetic acid is the very weak acid. Acids that gives rise to more H plus ions are said to be strong acid. Listen, more H plus ions gives acid is called the strong acid and acids that give less H plus ions are said to be weak acid, which are produced more H plus ions, that is called the strong acid, which are produced less H plus ions, that is called the weak acid. These are the strength of the acid. Next one, pH in our digestive system. It is very interesting to note that our stomach produces hydrochloric acid. It helps in the digestion of food without harming the stomach. During indigestion, the stomach produces too much acid and this causes pain and irritation. To get rid of this pain, people use bases called antacids. One such remedy must have been suggested by you at the beginning of this chapter. These antacids neutralize the excess acid. Magnesium hydroxide, milk of magnesia, a mild base, is often used for this purpose. For example, we will take the ENO, lemon water, salt water, or baking soda salt water. Like that, we using remedy of antacids. Self-defense by animals and plants through chemical warfare. Have you ever been stung by honeybee? Bee sting leaves an acid which causes pain and irritation. Uses of a mild base like baking soda on the stung area gives relief. Stinging air of nettle leaves inject methanoic acid causing burning pain. Some acids and antacids. vinegar, acetic acid, sour milk, that means curd, lactic acid, orange, citric acid, lemon, citric acid, tamarind, tartaric acid, ant sting, methanoic acid, tomato, oxalic acid, nettle sting, methanoic acid. More about salts. Chemicals from common salt. By now, you have learned that the salt formed by the combination of hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide solution is called sodium chloride. This is the common salt we using in our food. Seawater contains many salts dissolved in it. Sodium chloride is separated from these salts. Deposits of solid salt are also found in several parts of the world. These large crystals are often brown due to impurities. This is called rock salt. Beds of rock salt were formed when seas of Bijan ages dried up. Rock salt is mined like coal. You must have heard about Mahatma Gandhi's Dandi March. Did you know that sodium chloride was such an important symbol in our struggle for freedom? Sodium hydroxide, NaOH, when electricity is passed through an aqueous solution of sodium chloride called brine solution, it decomposes to form sodium hydroxide. The process is called the chloroalkali process because of the products formed chloro for chlorine, alkali for sodium hydroxide. NaCl plus H2O gives rise NaOH plus chlorine plus H2. Chlorine gas is given off at the anode and hydrogen gas at the cathode. Sodium hydroxide solution is formed near the cathode. The three products produced in this process are all useful. Bleaching powder. You have already come to know that chlorine is produced during the electrolysis of aqueous sodium chloride brine solution. This chlorine gas is used for the manufacture of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is produced by the action of chlorine on dry sacked lime. Bleaching powder is represented as CaOCl2, though the actual composition is quite complex. Calcium hydroxide plus chlorine, calcium, oxygen, chloride. The soda commonly used in the kitchen for making tasty, crispy pakoras is baking soda. Sometimes it is added for faster cooking. The chemical name of the compound is sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3. It is produced using sodium chloride as one of the raw material. Sodium chloride plus water molecule plus carbon dioxide plus ammonia gives rise ammonium chloride plus sodium hydrogen carbonate. The following reaction takes place when it is heated during cooking. Sodium hydrogen carbonate heating sodium carbonate plus water molecule plus carbon dioxide gas. Sodium hydrogen carbonate has got sodium carbonate. Washing soda. Another chemical that can be obtained from sodium chloride is sodium carbonate 10H2O. You have seen above that sodium carbonate can be obtained by heating baking soda. Recrystallization of the sodium carbonate gives washing soda. It is also a basic salt. Are the crystals of salts really dry? Removing the crystals. Heat Few crystals of boiling test tube. What is the color? Here we can find out the color is blue color. Do you notice water here? Where we added the 2-3 drops of water to the crystal copper sulfate. We observed that the totally turns into blue color. Copper sulfate crystals which seem to be dry contain water of crystallization. When we heat the crystals, this water is removed and the salt turns white. If you moisten the crystal again with water. Water of crystallization is the fixed number of water molecules present in the formula of unit of salt. 5 water molecules are present in one formula, that is copper sulfate 5H2O. Dear students, I hope all are understood today's topic, importance of salts. Read textbook properly. You have any doubt, contact with me. Next class also we will discuss about salts only. Thank you and God bless you all.